Zilla Parishad schools in Pune record 88% attendance. Alumnus gifts CCTV cameras to Pune Zilla Parishad School on Valentine's Day. Mumbai schools urge BMC to allow reopening for higher grades. Primary schools in Sikkim reopen as new academic session begins. Bengal government releases primary school teacher merit list. KV schools resume physical classes, highest attendance recorded amongst board classes. 18-year-old killed outside school in Punjab over property dispute. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Zilla Parishad schools in Pune are steadily reaching their full student strength since they resumed offline classes after the lockdown imposed by the coronavirus outbreak. Classes 9 to 12 restarted on November 23rd and classes 5 to 8 on January 27th. Ayush Prasad, the Pune Zilla Parishad Chief Executive Officer, said, like higher classes, classes 5 to 8 are also getting good response from students as all precautionary measures are in place. We have registered 88% attendance from students. Only the children who migrated to their villages are absent. The Zilla Parishad school teachers have also started receiving the first dose of COVID vaccination. Yuvraj Renuse, an alumnus of Zilla Parishad Primary School in village Pabe of Velhe Taluka in Maharashtra, has gifted 2 CCTV cameras to his alma mater. The 29-year-old, who works as a computer operator for government projects on contract basis, also farms in his village. Yuvraj's gift has crowned the school as the first in Velhe Taluka to have CCTV camera facility. He said, "For me, education is a top priority, and this is a small gesture of giving back to the society, as my parents overcame many struggles to get me educated." In light of the upcoming board exams, city schools and parents of students took to social media on Monday, urging the BMC to allow schools to reopen partially. Some schools in Maharashtra and schools under consulates and embassies in Mumbai have been allowed to reopen since January 18th. Francis Joseph, the co-founder of SLN Global Network, said, "While reopening will adhere to COVID-19 protocols and consider associated risks, we feel that at least for students who will write their board exams this year, schools should be allowed to reopen." The primary sections of schools in Sikkim reopened on Monday after a gap of 11 months. The State Education Department had issued a circular saying that classes from lower kindergarten to class 5 in all government-aided and private schools will reopen from February 15th. In Sikkim, classes from 9 to 12 had resumed on October 19th last year, while classes from 6 to 8 had restarted from November 27th. Bhim Tatal, Director of Elementary Education and Samagra Shiksha in Sikkim, said students would be allowed strictly with the consent of the parents and guardians on a voluntary basis. Schools at primary level will operate with 50% capacity or alternatively an odd-even roll number basis. The Bengal government has published within a month of completion of interviews a merit list of 15,248 candidates who will be appointed as primary school teachers. Officials said the recruitment process was likely to be completed in a week. Many of them admitted that they had rarely seen such promptness in appointing teachers. On Monday night, the board came up with a notice announcing the publication of the merit list. Aspiring teachers have been among the most vocal critics of the Mamata Banerjee government in recent times. The resentment against the government, heightened after the High Court had on December 11th quashed the process initiated by the School Service Commission to recruit around 15,000 teachers for upper primary schools. The day the judgment was delivered, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee announced that 16,500 teachers would be appointed at the primary level. After the phased reopening of the Kendriya Vidyalayas across the country, the number of students attending the physical classes has increased. The Ministry of Education on Monday informed that an average of 42% of Class 9 students, 65% of Class 10, about 48% and 67% of Class 11 and 12 students, respectively, have started to attend physical classes. The number of students attending physical exams is higher in the board classes 10th and 12th. The rest of the students, however, are attending classes online. The data is collected till February 11th, informed the ministry. An 18-year-old student died after he was attacked with sharp-edged weapons by two people outside his school at Ghuman village in Punjab, said the police on Tuesday. They said that Simrandeep Singh, a class 12 student, was killed on Monday when he was coming out of his school along with his brother Harmandeep Singh. Harmandeep managed to escape, but Simrandeep suffered injuries to his head, neck and chest. He was taken to a hospital where he was declared brought dead, they said. It is suspected that Simrandeep was killed over a property dispute between his family and his neighbor. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.